In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass email in Mautic. Let's get started by opening your Mautic login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the main navigation and open the Channels section. Inside Channels, choose Emails. This is where all of your email assets live, including any previously created messages you might want to reuse. On the email screen, pick the email you want to send as a broadcast. If you don't see one that fits, you can create a new email first, then return here when it's ready to go. After you select the email, open it and click Edit. This takes you into the email settings and content so you can confirm everything before sending. Inside the editor, locate the setting for contact segment and select the segment that should receive this message. This is crucial. Mautic will only send to contacts that belong to the segment you choose and are eligible to receive emails. Take a moment to make sure the intended recipients are actually in that segment. If a contact isn't part of it, they won't be included in this send. While you're here, scan the essentials so your broadcast lands well. Confirm the subject line is clear, the preview text is helpful, and your from name and from address match what your audience expects. Make sure required items like the unsubscribe link are present in your template. If you're using personalization tokens, verify they have fallback values so the email still reads naturally, even when a field is missing. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. This applies your changes and returns you to the email's overview page. Now you're ready to send. Click Send on the email view. Mautic will prepare a confirmation screen showing you the action you're about to take. Review any details provided, such as the target segment and the estimated number of recipients. This is your last chance to confirm you're sending the right content to the right audience. If it all checks out, click Send again to confirm and begin the broadcast. That's it, you've queued a mass email to the selected segment. If your instance is already configured for email delivery, Mautic will handle the rest and start sending to eligible contacts. After sending, give it a little time, then come back to this email's overview to gauge performance and plan your next outreach. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to send a mass email in Mautic with confidence.